In this chapter we will explore how you, as art or design professional, can make use of AR and VR or MR to create and showcase an effective portfolio. This chapter will cover principles of putting together a portfolio using XR tools. Introduce you to some tools needed to start a portfolio with XR as a designer, artist. Protecting your intellectual property online. Putting some of your new knowledge to the test and start developing your skills. And finally, understand the need for lifelong learning and development in this field. Creating an impactful online art and design portfolio, especially for the cutting-edge fields of augmented reality and virtual reality, requires a thoughtful approach that showcases not just your final products, but your understanding of the immersive medium itself. You can use AR and VR to showcase your work created with more traditional mediums as well as your AR and VR work. Your AR, VR portfolio should demonstrate your technical proficiency, artistic vision, problem-solving skills and understanding of user experience within immersive environments. The first principle of building your portfolio is to carefully curate your work and prioritize quality over quantity. Select only your strongest, most relevant projects. A few exceptional pieces are more effective than many mediocre ones. Make sure that your best work is shown and seen first. If applying for a specific role, highlight projects that align with the company's work and the job description. The second principle is to emphasize your creative and design processes and problem solving. By showing your process, you will come across as authentic. This is very important in the current context where plagiarism is very common and AI tools have become so common. For each project, detail your design process. This includes concept development, ideation, prototyping, user testing, and iteration, if applicable. Make sure to clearly state your specific contributions to team projects. Discuss problems you encountered and how you overcame them. This demonstrates critical thinking and adaptability. Detailing your process allows you to show your technical skills. Detail the software, engines, e.g., Unity, Unreal Engine, tools, and programming languages you used. The third principle is to make good use of visual storytelling to communicate what your projects are about and to provide context. Use high-resolution images, compelling screenshots, and well-produced video demonstrations of your AR, VR experiences. Static images should be accompanied by explanations of the interactive elements. Illustrate the user's interaction within your AR, VR experiences. Show how users navigate, interact with objects, and experience the environment. Each project should have a concise yet informative description. Explain the project's purpose, your design goals, and the impact or potential impact of the work. It is very important to provide context. Explain the problem your AR, VR, or design solution addresses, the target audience, and the unique value proposition. If it is an artistic expression project, provide a concise but impactful statement for each project that you showcase. The fourth principle is to always consider the accessibility and user experience of the portfolio itself. Aim for intuitive navigation. Your portfolio website should be easy to navigate and visually appealing. Fast loading times. Optimize images and videos for web to ensure quick loading. Mobile responsiveness. Ensure your portfolio looks good and functions well on various devices. Contact information. Make it easy for potential employers or clients to contact you. Include your email, LinkedIn profile, and any other relevant professional links. Here is an example that could inspire you to build your own exciting portfolio. The portfolio platform used here is webflow.io. Note how each of the projects have further information included when clicking on the Case Study button. Explore this portfolio in your own time by clicking on the link provided.